I want to show you my model. Okay, so yeah, so this is so first I need to switch all the drawing whatever the on my model, and we can have the Nifty chart. Okay, so here just I want to show my model here, which is I have developed. Okay, so now this our model, it can be work on the any time frame. You can select any time frame as per your convenient. Okay, so yeah, suppose you, if you are working on, if you are looking for the intraday, then you can have the view of the market at the 15-minute time frame chart, and less than that. Okay, so if you are looking for the positional trading side, so if you are so then you can have the view 1 hour and day wise, it's up to you. Okay, so now, so like we can have the, like we can select the 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, or this is the Nifty chart. Okay, so then you see here, this is the Nifty chart. Today's market has opened here. Okay, here up to here. So now I'm just switching on my model here. You see, I switched my model here. So so this is my model, which is we have developed. Okay, so then it is having click, right, or single one click. Okay, so then you have everything here. And one more most important feature here, so you don't need to draw any support, any support line, and resistance line, and trending line, trade line, curve line. You don't need, you don't require even here. Okay, so and you even you don't put it the any number line here. Okay, so everything it will be automatically drawn. Suppose here by single click. Okay, so you can have everything here. So and super most options are available here. You see here the projecting source. So these are the projecting source we called here. So that makes here and here. You see the projecting source here and here, right? So here, and these are very important projecting source point. Okay, so all the entry can made be on these points. Okay, so you see the market has opened here, and it's gone up to here at this number 25,145. so this exactly this number. After that, market has come down, and also it took the, see here again, market made here up to same number here. You can see the same number. So these are the resource point. Okay, so after the market has come down, and here, so as you see, if you look here, market is only the range bound till so far. Okay, up to here, market, the activities up to here is the around 62 point only. You see only the 62 point on the entry here, right? 63 point today's up to here, right? So you see here, our model also is able to capture the any yeah, very less move also. It will basically, our design model will guide you in a proper way. Okay, so then you have very yeah, come down and here. So and okay, so and one more important feature here, it can be work any time frame, right? You can select here. Here I can draw whatever the, see here, you see this is the chart. You see here at the 15-minute, so the projecting point here and here. And also it will show the when the reversal candle when the market has made the reversal. Okay, so see at this exact this candle, it is a made of reversal. Okay, market has made reversal from here and here. So that our model is indicating here symbol. So this is the very advanced feature we have in build here in our system. Okay, yeah, so and but another thing, it will suggest you where you need to enter into the market. See here, there is a symbol is coming here. So yeah, symbol is coming here, the yeah, here you see the paper with green color. If you enlarge it, right, so then you can have the like this green signal. And if your market is the very side, then you will have the red signal. Okay, and you see these are the candle are reversal. So as you know, market is this level, so it at this level, market has it has to take the decision which direction they have it has to go. Okay, so based on that, here, so this is a projecting point. You see the projecting point mean, see here the this is the reversal candle, this is point of reversal, then this is the point of reversal, and it is, see the projecting, the market has made up move from here, so here and here. So and again, market, see the very important feature here. This is the very important, and these are the same only the latest on the current chart. This is the 5 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5. If you have the big move 1 2 3 4 5, okay, after that you will not see, it will disable. Once the market is formed, then our previous one is disabled. Okay, so now if you look into the, you see the we can see on the 1 minute chart also. See here, this is the 1 minute time frame chart. Okay, on the Nifty you can see the activity here. So our model will suggest you very narrow range also. See, at the very you see, if you look, this is very narrow range right here. So I am just explaining my model, how it is work, nothing else. Whatever the decision, you make decision your all by yourself. Okay, that is the disclaimer which I made here. Okay, so I want to show my model capability to the audience. Okay, so who are struggling in this world. Okay, so that if they need any help in this regard, so then you might be, you may contact me through the, we can discuss the separately. Okay, so the my mail, my ID is mentioned here. So you see in the 1 minute time frame chart, you see the projecting point are here. So even you can capture here very, and so this is the Nifty chart. Suppose I switch off this, right, and you can have a look, you can have a look the another this BankNifty chart. So same thing, it will work all the chart. Okay, if I'm switching on the my model, design model. Okay, you see the 1 minute time frame, see the symbol also is showing, right, up to here. As you know, market is very near range, very few, very less very small range bound here. So you can have a look, if you know, you can have a look, the range is very high, only the 130 125, right, 123 points. As you know, Nifty for the 125 Nifty, Bank Nifty is very is small, right, like Nifty the point is 50, yeah, 100 point is nothing for the here, right. So for the Nifty 50, Bank Nifty 100 point. Okay, so that is a very narrow range. You see the I'm just showing because of capability of our design model. So it is have the capability to capture very narrow range also, right. So if you switch on the 15-minute chart of the Nifty, you can have a look, the same situation you can have. Our system is guiding here. See, our system is made here, so it is showing here the projecting point. So yeah, see here. Okay, so now this is for the Nifty. Same thing, you can go up to the any chart you can select, like as you know, the Sensex chart for the for it is delay, is always delay, data is delaying from the right, so the source. So that's what D sign means, delay. So now if you want to the Sensex, you in the trading view, the data is coming from the exchange for the Sensex is very it is delaying. So then you can do whatever the current updated chart. Okay, you can do that analysis of that particular chart. Okay, on the yeah. So suppose I want to show this this feature for the any stock. Suppose we can take the like index, there is a big activity, there some event for there, right. You can select that like Indus Bank. Okay, so like we can select the Indus Bank, what are the activity has made by this this chart. Okay, so then if I switch on my chart here, you see here, if switch my model here, it is indicating directly what are the activity has been made by this Indus Bank today. Okay, you see the, if you are following our developed model, it's indicating, right. So then it's giving the some indication. So and right, so if you are going to come down to that everything you yeah. So see the reversal candle, see the reversal candle, the market gone up, right. So the here is shown here, that signal here. So that green signal, the bull side signal, see here green. That most important point, these are the projecting resources point. That is, we have developed this concept, and we have designed, we have executed, we have programmed, we have executed, we have verified, and it work for it work 100%. Okay, yeah, you see here, I'm just exploring right in front of you guys, right. So then you can see here, see, I can mark here the our projecting point. Okay, so suppose if I here, so suppose here, see, suppose here, right? These are the projecting point, okay. Basically we call the projecting or project resource point, okay. Projected resource point. So if you enter here, then you see how much point you can capture here from here. Suppose if you make an entry here, you see here up to the this target also draw automatically in our model, okay. See our it was the target is here. So then first basically target can be changed, okay. It can be tell first target it should be here around this point, right? After that this point, okay. So this target can be changed. So as you know, this is very narrow range because now right, see here, yeah, it is very narrow, yeah. Hmm. It is very yeah, it's not very narrow range because this is the stock chart, right? The stock chart means 39 points, around 40 point is very high, right? In any stock, right? Yeah, you, this is not index chart, this is the stock chart, right? This is the yeah. So that's what I yeah. So that's it. So I want to show my capability of my model here, okay. You can have, we can have a look another chart also. So suppose we can have a look M&M chart, okay. So you if you show the chart, you can look this the M&M chart, okay, at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. If you switch here, right, so then you can have a look the activity, what are the activity yeah, following. So see here showing here the point of reversal. As you know, this is point of reversal. See exactly this point of source projecting point here. If you make entry here, right, so then up to how much more, if you can see how much more you can capture, okay. So that yeah, specificity that is a special feature of inbuilt in our system which we have developed, okay. So now see that this is the and this angle, right, this is the basically this is the angle concept. This is the price action option we have included very advanced way, okay. And exactly we can find out the point of reversal with the help of this theory, okay. So we have done a lot of research on that and we have executed, first we have done a lot of research on this side, then we have plan how we can do it, and then we have made the plan, then we have coded and we have executed, and finally we are validating this our model how it is performing. So and as per now, as we have tested and we are performing, then the results are very super. The performance of the model is very accurate, and the convention rate of this our model is very high, okay. So here, so now I don't want to show this another, so we can go in the another index chart, okay. That Nifty we have selected, okay, here. So as you know, the Nifty I told you, right, this one, this drawing I don't want to show any drawing, right. So then we have the Nifty chart here, okay. So as suppose as we open this our model, right, switch on our model, you can see the 15-minute the Nifty activities, okay. For today's activity from here, you see here Nifty is range bound, very range bound, okay. So here and yeah, is very range bound here, only 63 point, right, market open. And as you know, this market is only for the sellers, right, not for the buyer. Buyer cannot look for the today's, right. So generally, you know, already my question is not that. I'm just only demonstrating my model, okay. Whatever the thing whatever the decision you make, you can make by yourself, okay. So that yeah, my attention on here only to demonstrate whatever the model I have developed here, okay, which is having very good accuracy and very high conversion rate of for my model. See here, I want to show the model capacity. Model is work, our model is work for very narrow range. So see here, very narrow range. The point is only 54, and model is suggesting to you, right? So see here, this is the point also. Suppose if you took entry here for the narrow range, so if you take the SL also here, the and SL will not hit till that, right. See, market make the correction, but it's not see here the SL will not hit here. So after that market has, see that, because target up to here, because you are playing with a very narrow range, right. Target up to here, yeah, here only that 24 25 points from here, Okay, so here the market made it. Another one, see the another point resource, you can have a look. This is the point resource. We have the advanced feature, we can exactly find out the where the reversal will happen. Okay, so then we have this advanced concept. Okay, so now you see made the market made has the reversal and it's showing the reverse. You see that entry, that is the entry. So this is for the small narrow range. It can be happen for the bigger range when the market has momentum. Okay, today's market doesn't have the momentum, market is range bound. Okay, yeah, so that are the things I want to show you all about the feature of the my model. Okay, and we work for the Elliottwave. We have included the Elliottwave, we have included GANN angle, we have included the some another advanced concept here. So yeah, and we have made the where the reversal will happen. Okay, so these are the so basically here we have the our guidelines, so that we are following the that point number around around 9 or 10 points we have integrated in our design model. Okay, if you follow the 10 yeah, so but you don't need to follow, just you need to follow to our design model. So so that is the capability we have developed with the vehicle. We have spent a lot of time to develop this one, and we are finally we have got that the result is very very uh, high, and we are fully expert, and we have and we have supplied this we have provided to some of our clients, so then they are very happy. Okay, so that is the not the point of discussion here. If somebody is interested, so then we can have the discussion separately, not on this public forum. Okay, so then you can mail me, you can drop me a message, you can mail me on this my email ID, so then we can take further discussion separately. So you see, right, I have demonstrated to you the all the capability in front of you. So suppose, and one more thing, I suppose so there is a one more yeah, here. So just wait a minute, I'm just removing all the things, right, whatever drawn. I want to demonstrate one important concept here. Everyone know, right, market how market move, market make the market made, how market move, market made this market move like a Elliott wave, right? So like a wave, right? It will form a wave, right? So then suppose if you follow our model, right? So then it will guide you to create a proper way to draw a low. Suppose suppose, see what I told you, this is market is very very narrow range, and we have on the only because market is very narrow range, that's what we have selected the very less time from 1 minute. Okay, so then we can have the more candles, so that we can analyze. Okay, so but it can be applied on the bigger time frame also the similar way. So suppose you want to you want to draw the Elliott wave, right? So then like that this point of projection is showing here. So then the market is here, right, with here. So then this point of projection is showing here and here and here. So then based on that you can yeah, you can plot the Elliott here. Okay, so so yeah. So then we will discuss later, sometime later on, that another topic. Okay, so just today I want to show my capability of my design model. Okay, so it can be help you, right, today so many people so as you know the market is a range bound, the market is not for option buyers, right, today is as per current scenario. So after that it can be happen, right, but as per current as per current scenario. So market only just opened here, right, and it is open here, and it is range bound. Okay, so then is the range is very small. So only that as per the data says that the market situation for the only the options seller today's. Okay, yeah, till now. So then, and one more important point in this world, if you learn how to save, then you can survive, you can run long. That is the mantra which we follow. If you learn the key skills how to save, then you will be sustained. So yeah, as data says, right, 99%, 95% people lose, right, only 5% people make, right, out of 100, right. So that's what that to save yourself, right, is to save your things, right, your capital. So that most important thing in this world. So that our model yeah, this guide you in a very very nice way. Okay, so yeah, up to now, yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So I think up to now is fine. So I can discuss another feature in the some other time. Just I want to show I want to demonstrate on the live my design model capabilities. So it is having very excellent capabilities. If you are yeah, if you are really interested, then you can reach me. You can drop me email. Okay, so then we can have the separate discussion. Yeah, so for till now it's fine. Yeah, it's already around 1 p.m, right? Around it's about to 1 p.m. So yeah, so see you guys for the next till we connect next. Okay.